Okay, hi everyone. So wanted to record a video today for PCC talking about alerts and how you can instantly validate them after you make a change. And so I have PCC up, and if you look, I actually have a tile for locked for payroll. So I created this data right before this video. I can click in. So we've created this tile just to give you a glance. So I have an employee, they're locked for payroll. This is today's date when I'm creating this video, and this is the user I'm logged in with. So I did this, and I set up the scenario. So in this case, I have a tile for it, but I actually have an alert for it as well. And so when I look at this, I have it in this global folder, and then locked for payroll processing. I think I showed this example previously in my auto fix video, but I talked about how in that video you can also manually look at it and do it as well. So if that's the case, look, I've assigned this to my user ID, and I'm going to navigate over to my alerts. So I'm going to act as an admin who's investigating this. So I'll go over to my list, hit the drop down here, and I'm going to look at my locked for payroll, right? And so if I take a look at this one, I have the context, right? And so I'm able to see, okay, who locked it, when they locked it, details of that, and some of that detail as well. If I scroll to the right, so there's two options. I built solution to either go directly into the payroll status, or if I want to, I can navigate through SuccessFactors. So I'll go that way. It's going to take me into this employee. I'll go over to payroll. I will go to payroll status. And let's just say I want to resolve this. So I'm going to come in here, I'll unlock them, save them, and all good. And so now what people may not realize is in PCC, what I can also do is if I fix this, right, and this is an alert I can fix, there's a validate button here. And so what this will do is actually run this person against the logic of the validation rule. And you'll see it finished without alert. And that's because I fixed the employee. And so now you can see if I go back, this employee moved from unresolved to completed. And so give the date and timestamp will be available on the audit report as well. So we can see how you can instantly validate. All right, thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.